Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up we got Sagicor Select Funds Limited, their updated net asset value. They've been trading pretty well, pretty liquid on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the JSE. These are the unaudited net asset value as of March 7th, 2022. For both of them, that's financial, Select F, 0.791, just under 80 cents per share, and the manufacturing distribution always faring a little bit better, just under $1.10, $1.09.5 or so per share. Now, Jamaica Teas Limited, Jam Teas, trading in their shares, you tend to see, some trades here on the sell side more than the buy side. A director of Jam Teas selling a total of just under 358,000 shares, February 25th and March 1st. 2 trading days here in Jam Teas. Now, FosRich Company Limited, leading electrical distributor. They've also gone into manufacturing recently, coming out with huge results for last year, 2021. Earnings flying, increasing by 60% by FosRich and Company. Now, FosRich, just huge numbers here. They went into manufacturing, Emerald Limited, and they went into PVC pipes, solid pipes, really bolstering the earnings overall. Let's get into the numbers here. We're talking about earnings per share for 2021. Jamaican 40 cents per share versus 25 cents per share for 2020, the previous year comparative to 2021. Net profit, absolute net profit here for December 31st, 2021 hit just under 200 million Jamaican, 199.3 million. Now the turnover, the operating revenue for last year, 2.35 billion. The market predicted, analysts out there, that they would break through the $2 billion threshold. They did just that. Now, QWI Investments Limited, updated NAV as well. Trading a little bit sideways here in terms of the NAV, not the market price necessarily, as at March 4th, 2022. QWI's NAV was $1.42 per share Jamaican dollars. Now, the blockbuster IPO with Mayberry Touch, the Midas Touch, a lot of the market players out there, the pundits, the investors, the analysts really, bet on this one, invested in this one when they saw Mayberry come to market with this one. Now, Mayberry not a huge shareholder in it, but still a significant shareholder. But talk about credibility going into EduFocal here Limited, not just as an investor, but a lead broker and arranger here. Now, they went into it through a company called Wide Base. The bottom line here, though, hugely successful IPO. They came out oversubscribed in 1 minute, and also basis of allotment coming out very quickly. Now, for the first 10,000 shares, you get those in EduFocal, plus a pro rata allocation of approximately 16.57% of the excess shares above this amount. Now, the market expects this one hot to trot. It got the Mayberry Touch here, the credibility, and remember what happened with Access 2009. Mayberry made a huge amount of profit on that one after that one with Marcus James and Company. Now we got here Gordon Swaby and Company coming to the market. It has that feeling, a little bit reminiscent of Access. We'll see what happens. But if you look at that one, Access, EduFocal, we'll see what happens going forward. But it has that gut feeling towards it when you look at it from an investment standpoint. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.